here at Vanguard Printing in Oxnard, California, my #1 spot that does an amazing job for all of our print marketing materials. We have our North Ranch year-end report being printed today, getting on the press, and so we just want to take a little bit behind the scenes on what these guys are doing to make us look so good. So come on, let's go look. It's about 7 in the morning right now. It's friggin' early. I haven't even had my coffee yet, and I get angry. This is Jeff, owner of my breakfast. Awesome. I love it. So Jeff's owner of Vanguard. Thanks for bringing you breakfast. Awesome. Take a look at that. This isn't your laser jet printer at home, right? No laser jet printing here.
It's a self-oiling system. It's got a radiator going up like a car. It's up on the roof with these huge fans that are cooling it down. So open up. We're gonna put your job on and I'm gonna look at it.
Yeah.
And this is like a big, you know, like when you're a kid in school with a rubber stamp and ink?
Yeah.
That's all this is a big rubber stamp. The plate cylinder, which I'm gonna get for your job, and it transfers to the blanket, and the blanket puts the image on the sheet that's down there. So each one's transferring the image on there. It's pretty crazy.
You gotta be like an engineer, seriously, to run this machine. So they sent me a proof yesterday to make sure what they're gonna do today is the one. So we don't have any room for error once it hits the press. Now I think everything looks pretty good.
These are the plates that came out that he's gonna put onto the press. You have one for each color.
My dad and I started Vanguard Printing in 1990. We're kind of a smaller family business in the printing world, and so we're excited to do our best to help as many people as we can. One of the things that we've always done is trying to make printing simple for customers. Printing is often an arduous process, and so we try to simplify that for the customer and try to help them to do what they do best, and then we do what we do best. We've been growing at a pretty steady rate, and it's been fun to have important people like Sergio with us and partnering with us in this endeavor.
You know, one of the things we stand for at SG Associates is really supporting our local businesses, our local community that gives so much, and hire people that live here in the 805 as well. And it keeps everybody strong, keeps everybody tied together. You can see their passion and commitment to the places they work, you know, like Vanguard Printing. You know, we got nothing but love for all the people out here in 805.
Well, to this day, I've been married 32 years, 33 years. My wife still doesn't know what I do. Can you make me some copies? But I can't work a copy machine up front.